Today I will show you some breathing techniques, more precisely slow breathing techniques. Why slow breathing is relevant to my therapeutic dance sessions. Have you ever noticed that while you feel anxious, while you feel angry, while you are excited or hyper for some reasons, you breathe faster, or your heart beats faster, or you feel like you are lacking enough oxygen inside you, you have a shortness of breath? Now this all happen as a basic physiological defense system against stress. So the neuroendocrine system starts to get prepared for a fight, flight or freeze mechanism based on what kind of psychological stress you are facing. And this has a hold on your breath and on your cardiovascular system. That's why your breathing pattern changes, your heartbeat gets faster, and sometimes you sweat as well. Your body temperature changes. However, the key point here is you can control this kind of changes in your body, this automatic stress responses, and this is how this breathing is linked to dance movement therapy. When you practice slow breathing, you can try to concisely focus on your breath while you have this kind of turmoils and try to breathe slowly, and after a while you will notice that you are feeling much better than your stressed condition. So breathing is important for your stress release. Breathing is important for practicing mindfulness, and breathing is important for your emotional well-being. So please follow the video till the end and start practicing slow breathing techniques. Breathing is a very orchestrated function between your respiratory system that involves your nostrils, that goes down to the pharynx, larynx, bronchus, then it branches to the alveoli into the lungs, and then the cardiac system that involves your heart, arteries, veins. It also involves your nervous system, your parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. So when we breathe, we are actually integrating all this respiratory, cardiac and nervous system together to have a proper breathing frequency. The first benefit from slow breathing exercises is that it can handle, or it can improve your dead space, your respiratory dead space issues. What does that mean? We may have inhaled a lot of air, but when it comes to the lung, it gets some portion of the air that gets trapped, and that portion is called dead space. If we do slow breathing, which means we can slow down our breathing frequency less than 10 per minute. Ideally, research suggests that if you can reduce your frequency to 6 or 8, that has a very good effect. But since usually we have a frequency of more than 10-12 per minute, so it is not easy to reduce the frequency to 6 or 8. So if we can practice reducing the frequency from 10 to 8 to 6, we are first going to work on this dead space. And along with that, it will have a calming effect on your whole system. So if we do the slow breathing technique, we are actually feeding more to the vagal nerve regulated breathing system. So that is very important. And through this enhancement, we can also regulate immediate stress response on our respiratory system. Every day, if you can practice these slow breathing techniques, you are going to hold a grip on your breathing efficiency, and if you practice it continuously, it will be reflected in your daily life. So I will show you how to do this slow breathing. First of all, when you take this kind of exercise for slow breathing, the first thing you have to remember is that you have to be on a resting state, and you have to be peaceful, calm and concise. Leave all your worries, all your thoughts behind, and just focus on your breath. And then try to inhale as much as you can so that your thoracic cage enlarges and your diaphragm goes down. Allow the breath to stay inside and then exhale in a controlled manner. So if you count your inhalation with 4 counts and then you gradually exhale it in 6 or 8 or 10 counts, it will help you to hold a grip on your breath. And this will also help you to reduce your dead space, because you are giving more time to get this oxygenated air diffused, and you are also working on this heart rate variability factors. So in a nutshell, slow breathing will give you a lot of benefit silently, consistently. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for getting more such videos, and press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload the next video. See you till then, take care, bye bye.